Welcome to another watercolor painting tutorial. My name is Jane-Beata and I will show you how to create a watercolor painting within 30 minutes. Start your first watercolor layer with very light paint. Paint leaves using a larger brush. You can use different colors within each leaf, but make sure you use enough water with the pigment. This way, pigments can mix up together spontaneously and create a very nice looking watercolor texture within each leaf. Connect the leaves while they're still wet. I prefer doing this with a flat, larger brush, but you can use any type of brush. You can add more leaves and this time make the paint a little more saturated. Add a bit of splatters to your painting, it always creates visual interest. Let the first layer dry. Add one more layer of leaves using the technique as before. And make them overlap the previous layer. Now the final part is always the most fun one. Grab a white gel pen and you can create a white border between some of the leaves. This creates a very nice effect. If you don't have a pen, use white ink, white gouache or even white acrylic with a thin brush. And that's it! You are done for today and I'll see you next Tuesday.